Welcome, beautiful soul. This is a sacred space for healing, forgiveness, and remembering the truth of who you are. Today, we journey through the full cycle of oponopono, an ancient Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and release. Through breath, prayer, stillness, and love, you will return to the peace that has always been within you. Now take a deep cleansing breath in. And exhale slowly. We begin by calling upon Divine Creator, the source of all life, the essence of love and light. Divine Creator, Father, Mother, Son as one, we come before you now. Please cleanse, clear, and open this space of healing. Let us remember that all healing begins within, and that we are always connected to you. Feel this connection, a golden thread of light between your heart and Divine Source. Now close your eyes and bring awareness to your breath. Inhale slowly, feeling life filling your body. Exhale gently, letting go of any weight. Each inhale is the light. Each exhale is release. Stay with this breath. Allow it to calm your mind and open your heart. I am the I. I come forth from the void into light. I am the breath that nurtures life. I am that emptiness, that hollowness beyond all consciousness. The I, the id, the all. I draw my bow of rainbows across the waters. the continuum of minds with matter. I am the incoming and outgoing of breath. The invisible, untouchable breeze. The undefinable atom of creation. I am the I. Let these words align you with your divine essence. Divine Creator, Father, Mother, Son as one. If I, my family, relatives and ancestors have offended you, your family, relatives and ancestors in thoughts, words, deeds and actions from the beginning of our creation to the present. We ask for your forgiveness. Let this cleanse, purify, release. Cut all the negative memories, blocks, energies, and vibrations. And transmute these unwanted energies to pure light. And so it is. Now feel a wave of light moving through you, washing away heavy memories. We will now repeat the 4 sacred phrases. Allow them to move through your heart, cleansing and restoring harmony. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now let's deepen into their meaning. Let each phrase connect to your heart. Direct them toward yourself, toward others, toward life itself. I'm sorry for the burdens I've carried, knowingly or unknowingly. Please forgive me for the times I forgot the truth of who I am. Thank you for this breath, this moment, this chance to begin again. I love you for all that I am and all that is. I'm sorry for the burdens I've carried, knowingly or unknowingly. Please forgive me for the times I forgot the truth of who I am. Thank you for this breath, this moment, this chance to begin again. I love you for all that I am and all that is. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now imagine divine light shining down through the top of your head. This light flows through your body, through your heart, and into every cell. See it dissolving all pain, all memories, all heaviness, transmuting them into pure light. Let this light expand outward, filling your home, your loved ones, the earth, and beyond. Rest now in stillness. Notice the sense of peace that arises when memories are released. If you feel called, gently journal any insights, emotions, or whispers of wisdom. As we close this sacred practice, we affirm peace of I, the peace that is I, the peace that is with me, the peace that is I am. Take one final deep breath in and a soft exhale out. Carry with you the healing words always. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. You are at peace.